In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign electronically on a PDF document using JOPDF, which is completely free to use, free to download and install on your system. You can access it by just coming to jopdf.com. You can see all the features that you need to see and download and install it, available for Mac, Windows and Linux. Once you download and install, you can as well do the signature from there. So let's say I have this document that I just downloaded. This is it. This one, consent letter example, and I want to sign this document as Mr. John Doll, the president. I want to sign this. So all I need once I open it on JOPDF is to come to edit document, and then you can go to signature. Now signature would mean maybe you have an existing signature, like I have mine here. If you don't have, if you have, you can just click and you can just specify and even come to the edge here and reduce the size so that it can fit to where you want to put it. Like now you can see I have just added mine, and once you exit the mode, now you have your signature, your document signed by you. But if you don't want this signature, maybe you want another one, you can just undo this and you can add another PDF. So you can go to the signature and they create new. Over here you can specify the pen color. For example, if you want to use blue color, you can use blue color. If you have a color code, you can add as well. Let's say I want to use blue color, and the thickness of the pen, you can increase it or decrease it from here as well. Okay, so let's say I'm going to use 6 and I'm going to write here. Okay, so let's say this is a signature, which is a draw aspect. If you want to type, you can type as well, or if you want the image of the signature, maybe you have it somewhere on your system, you can click to upload it also to serve as your signature saved on this JOPDF. But I'm going to use my draw. So I'm going to click on create, and now I have created the signature. So I can just click in here and come to the edge and make it smaller. Okay, so it can fit into where I have it. So with just this, you can see I have already signed my document. I can just go ahead and save it, and I can export as well, or just close it, and I have my document duly signed and directly. Okay, so now my document has been signed. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.